paper, scissors, wire cutters, and a small power drill. You're going to start by removing any excess material from the existing headband, ensuring a clean base for your halo. In this case, we're using wire cutters to cut the ears off of this headband and scissors to cut the lace off. We're reusing a headband from a previous project. It's always good to recycle. Next, take a marker to create the hole where you're going to later insert the wire to hold up the halo. You're going to mark here to see where you're going to drill holes through, because you're going to need to move the wire through those holes to create a V shape. Once you've gotten those holes in, put the headband aside. Now we're going to start creating a V shape and the halo. Use your wire. Take a wire piece, a long strand, and bend it into a V shape. Insert this wire through those holes, and you're going to create kind of like an antenna. This antenna is going to be the one that holds up the circular shape that you're going to create with more wire. Now take a long strand of wire and create a circle. Wrap each end around each other to create that circle. Once you've got that circle down, grab your masking tape. You're going to want to wrap the wrapped edges around just to create a smooth surface. Now take that same masking tape to wrap it around completely on the wire. You're going to want to do this so that you can soften the edges. Now's the fun part. Take the iridescent garland and start wrapping that halo. You're creating it now. You would have already fastened that halo with masking tape to the V-shaped antenna. Keep wrapping the circle until you've completely wrapped it with the garland. keep wrapping the circle until you've completely wrapped it with the garland. And there you have it. Your Three Kings Day halo is ready to shine.